Dear students, welcome to s.mathguru classes. So our main discussion is linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient of second order. Now we solve last video we solved one problem. Now we consider the remaining problems. Solve the linear partial differential equation del square z del x square plus 4 del square z del x del y minus 5 del square z del y square equal to 0. Now you want to solve this problem. Here del square z del x square 4 del square z del x del y minus 5 del square z del y square equal to 0. So you putting capital D equal to del x and d dash equal to del y. We consider this. So this will be, suppose z is absent, so del square, this is d square plus 4, this z absent, del x del y, so we get d dash minus 5, this is y, then d dash square into z equal to 0, we get this one. So this implies auxiliary equation when you putting d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. Auxiliary equation equal to m square plus 4m minus 5 equal to 0. So where capital D means m and d dash means 1. So this is m square, m into 1 m, 1 square, this is 5, we get this. Now we factorize this one, this is m square plus 5m minus 5 equal to 0. This implies m common, m plus 5 minus 1 common, m plus 5 equal to 0. This implies m plus 5, m minus 1 equal to 0. This is m equal to minus 5, m equal to 1. Therefore, the required solution, right hand side is 0 given. If right hand side is non-zero given, then we write a complementary function, but here right hand side 0 given, therefore the required solution is z equal to f1, first value we consider 1, y plus x, that means 1x, and f2 y minus 5x. So this is f1 y plus x and f2 y minus 5. Two values we get, 1 and minus 5, we putting in this way, and this is the complete solution of the given problem. Very easy solution. So next we consider another problem. Solve the linear partial differential equation d cube minus 6d square d dash plus 11d dash square minus 6d cube z equal to 0. Now solution, first you have to write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is d equal to, putting m and d dash equal to 1. This is m cube minus 6m square plus 11m minus 6 equal to 0, where d equal to m, d dash equal to 1. D equal to m, d dash equal to 1. 1 is 1 into m square is m square, this is 1. this is 1. We get this. Now this is cubic equation. If we get cubic equation, this is difficult to factorize, and we using factor theorem. What is the factor theorem? If we putting here 1 in place of m, then 1 cube minus 1 square, this is 1, then 1 minus 6 plus 11, 11 and 1 12, minus 6 12, this will be 0. That means m minus, we solve in this way, f of m equal to m cube minus 6m square plus 11m minus 6, and putting the last factor is, last term is minus 6, this will be minus 6 minus 1 into 6, this is 1 into minus 6 minus 2 into 3, and this is minus 2 into minus 3, this one. So these are the possible factors of minus 6. This is 2. Any one of this, by putting any of the one of this value, we get this is 0. Putting 1 cube 6 into 1 square, 11 into 1 minus 6, this is 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6, this is 0. If it is 0, then this is divisible by m minus 1. So if we divide this one by m minus 1, then m minus 1 in lower class method, this one, m cube minus 6m square plus 11m minus 6. Here our requirement is m cube, but we have m, giving m square, this and this m cube, this and this m square. This is minus, this is cancel, this is minus 5m square, minus minus plus, this minus this minus 5 square, 11m minus 6, minus 5m putting, then this into this, minus 5m square plus 5m, and 11 minus 5, 6m minus 6, putting 6, then 6m minus 6, remainder is 0. So the question is m square minus 6m, 5m plus 6. Then we know dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this will be m minus 1 into m square minus 5m plus 6, this equal to 0. This is dividend, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, remainder is 0, no need to write. Now this one, m minus 1, if we factorize this, m square minus twice m minus thrice m plus 6 equal to 0, and m minus 1, taking m common, m minus 2 minus 3 common, m minus 2 equal to 0, then m minus 1, m minus 2 is common, and we get m minus 3 equal to 0. So the values are m equal to 1, m equal to 2, m equal to 3. Therefore, the required solution is z equal to f1 y plus 1x, f2 y plus 2x, and f3 y plus 3x. 1x and 1x is x, then we write in this way also, f1 y plus x, f2 y plus twice x, f3 y plus thrice x. This is the required solution of the given problem. This one our answer. Now this is the final solution. if we get cubic equation or power 4, then we using this formula. Ultimately, what will be the factor we can easily find. So in this problem, any of this value we putting, ultimately answer will be 0. So this is our required solution. There are students, these are very simple problem, but most important for engineering courses and BSc major also. So if you are getting interest, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.